Welcome to Guide 3, Step 5. And this time we're going to be installing this 12 to 5 volt DC converter. So we're going to take this internal electronics assembly and flip it over so it's face down. This is going to allow us to mount the 12 to 5 volt converter on the back, kind of like this. So to actually attach it, we'll flip the converter around so the lettering faces away from you. Then we'll peel off the backing on this strip of double-sided tape that I attached to the converter. Now we're ready to adhere the converter into place. As you do this, you might want to start thinking about some cable management. So what I like to do is snake that power line with the T-plug through the little window on that right-hand side. Then stick that power converter into place. To make sure it's not going anywhere, I like to put my fingers through into the battery compartment and just press on the converter with my thumbs. Now that the converter's in place, take the USB cord and feed it through the window on the left side. Now turn the whole internal assembly onto its side so that the micro USB on the Raspberry Pi faces you, and then plug in the USB cord. Now that converter should be installed and ready to supply power to your Raspberry Pi, and the whole internal assembly should look something like this. Alright, thanks for watching.